Hello friends, how are you all? So today I'm going to tell you how you can set any song as ringtone in your iPhone. So let's start.
Subscribe Red
So to set a ringtone with a song, you will have to jailbreak your iPhone. After jailbreaking the iPhone, you have to open the Celio app. You have to search Filza File Manager. Filza File Filza File Manager. You have to install it by clicking on Get option. It will take few seconds to install, so subscribe to the channel. So after installation, whatever song you want to convert into ringtone, you will have to download it in M4R format. I download from Mobcup site. M4R format is available on Mobcup. So after downloading, you have to share it in Filza File Manager. So after sharing, you have to rename it Bark. As you can see, click rename Bark, B-A-R-K, Bark. After naming, you have to copy it and do the same thing as I'm doing. Go back, go once again, go back once again last time. Library, ringtones. So after coming here, you have to delete your old Bark ringtone. As you can see, old bar ringtone. After deleting, you have to paste the new Bark ringtone here, which you had renamed. After pasting, go to your settings. And select the Bark ringtone. So as you can see, my ringtone has been set, which I had customized. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. See you soon in the next video.